He is an expert in crisis management. He wrote on that. The letter of the day, yeah, in today's cleanup, an emergency action plan is our personal responsibility. What do you think of that? The author of the letter, Patrick Brown, who lives in Pembroke Pines in Florida, is advising us that we are to be responsible and accountable in letting our family know what our course of action will be.
We can't upload no YouTube videos.
So we must embrace this, he says, as a path.
Oh, no. Starlink must work.
And or sustain survival during a crisis of national.
There's some crash the drone yesterday.
What?
I'm gonna try.
Everything.
Everything for everything. There's a Bonnet River come back for everything.
Yeah.
I sign the gun. Yo, when I know so I go about that when I see the bird them. Up here, I'm on trees up there.
Unproven.
You have to drive on the next side. Sure.
Yeah. Respect. And everything else.
Oh, the black up.
Black.
Oh, yeah, so you drive last time. So it's scenic. Bear cliff, watch out. No sun. Pelican and make a money in the morning.
Wait for going to eat.
Marian, go on here. I'm on just STP, Sosa Tailpipe.
Yeah.
Beach gone down or something. Yeah, man, a cliffside that.
Again?
That's to entertain the people.
Yeah.
Dead. Beach gone. Yup, that is it. Begging to open KFC quick. Please. Good man, open up quick.
So the terrain is not always great, but to get there,
Line for the gas station.
Issues or safety issues for our team, so we're having to make sure we do so carefully. But we are moving around.